Again. What's up, guys? James Danley, Tuesday Tours. We are headed to 1431 Pilgrim in Birmingham. This house is nestled in one of the most prestigious communities in southeastern Michigan, Quarton Lake Estates. It was built in 2003, so I'm kind of excited to check out the floor plan and see if it's got a good open flow and concept, or if it's gonna need some renovation work from a functionality perspective. Either way, definitely stoked to take a look. Guys, it's wrapped up 1439 Pilgrim in Birmingham. Excellent quality in this house. The trim, the millwork, the doors, the gaslit lanterns. Extremely well-built home for 2003 era. And pretty good floor plan for the most part. The first floor is very open, nice entertaining space in the back of the house, great master suite. You have room for a second office on the second floor. Basement's a little small. That's probably the only main negative. Outside of that, it's got a mudroom, 3-car attached garage. If you want to be in one of the best communities in Michigan, it's a very solid option. This house would look completely different with a little paint and then changing in some light fixtures. So if you're looking in that $2 million range, this is one you might want to take a look at. Call, text, or DM us today.